Welcome back to our Tech 361. In today's tutorial, we'll show you two simple methods to find your Wi-Fi password on a Windows 10 computer. Let's get started. Method 1. Method 1 involves using your computer's network and internet settings. Here's how. First, connect to the Wi-Fi network for which you want to retrieve the password. Then, right-click that network icon on your taskbar and select Network and Internet Settings. Click on Advanced Network Settings. Next, find the Wi-Fi network you're connected to, and click on View Status of this connection. Now, click on Wireless Properties. Finally, on the Security tab of Wireless Network Properties, check the box that says Show Characters. You'll find your Wi-Fi password in the Network Security Key field. Method 2. Check the Wi-Fi password via command prompt. If you prefer using the command prompt, here's how. Press Start, type CMD, right-click on the command prompt option shown as a search result, and click on Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type netsh show profile and press Enter. This will display a list of network names you've connected to. Note down the full name of the Wi-Fi network you want to find the password for. Now, type netsh show profile name equals Wi-Fi name key equals clear, replacing Wi-Fi name with the network name you noted down earlier. And press Enter. Scroll through the results until you find an entry named Key Content. Your Wi-Fi password will be listed right next to it. And there you have it. Two straightforward methods to check your Wi-Fi password on a Windows 10 computer. Whether you prefer using network and internet settings or the command prompt, you can easily retrieve your Wi-Fi password when you need it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.